Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use ChatGPT to write emails that actually convert. So, have you ever spent 30 minutes writing an email only to get no replies? Whether you're spending sales, emails, marketing campaigns, client follow ups, or cold outreach, the right words can make all differences. All you have to do is to create an account on ChatGPT, and for the meantime, let's just use a free version. If you want to upgrade, then these are the things that you can unlock. So, these features you can unlock if you upgrade your plan. But since we're just using the basic version, our access would be limited. So this is ChatGPT interface. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, you can ask anything here, and then there's this plus icon where you can upload a file, you can add image, and so on. So as you can see, if you tap this, there are these options like add photos, create image, web search, deep research, open AI platform. Also, we have here create an image, write or edit, and look something up. So to start, instead of asking ChatGPT for, let's just say, write me an email, you can try something very specific with this. Like, write a friendly sales email promoting my online fitness coaching program. The audience is busy professionals aged 30 to 50. Highlight flexible scheduling, personalized workouts, and include a clear call to action to book a free consultation. So this is the result. Now, you can be very specific too with the target audience, the purpose of the email, your product or service, the tone you want, your desired length, and your call to action. So, feel free to edit this, and then after that, you can tap on enter and you should see the result. After that, you can edit. Now, for step three, you can generate attention grabbing subject line. So, your subject line is the first thing recipients see. Ask ChatGPT to generate multiple options. For example, let's just say write 15 high converting subject lines for a product launch. So, there are also options like generate curiosity based subject lines, create professional B2B email subject lines, or write subject lines under 50 characters. Compare the suggestions and choose the one that best matches your audience and brand. Now, all you have to do is to select one which you prefer. There are also suggested follow up questions and things that you can do here. So, feel free to just basically copy and paste. Now, always remember that the first few sentences determine whether readers continue or click away. So, it's very important to ask ChatGPT to write an opening. So, addresses the reader's problems, sparks curiosity, which is I'm going to enter here, shows sympathy, highlights a key benefit, or gets straight to the point. Avoid long introductions. Focus on why the email matters to the reader. So, let's just say sparks curiosity. And these are the results. All you have to do is to copy and then paste. Okay. Now, apart from that, you can also ask ChatGPT to make the email persuasive. So, a good email isn't just informative, it also encourages action. So, basically, you can ask ChatGPT to emphasize benefits over features, real world outcomes, social proof or testimonials, clear value, urgency when appropriate. So keep the message focused on how you offer helps the reader solve a problem or achieve a goal. Okay, so these are the answers. So basically, you can also ask ChatGPT for like add a clear call to action. So every email should tell readers exactly what to do next. Let's just say book a consultation. So these are the results for that. All you have to do is to copy and paste and include this to your email. So ask ChatGPT to generate several call to action options and choose the one that feels the most natural and relevant. You can also ask ChatGPT for placeholders for personalization such as recipient's name, company name, industry, recent achievement, and specific challenge. Press enter and you will see the result right away. So this is what it looks like. Now all you have to do is to copy paste and then edit this with the information that you want to add or input. Now here's the thing, if you are not satisfied with the result, you can ask more to ChatGPT like make it more persuasive, improve clarity, sound more conversational, sound more professional, increase urgency, or simplify the language. So I choose make it more persuasive. And this is what it looks like. I also asked ChatGPT to make it longer. Okay, so this is the result. Now, before you download or copy, you have to ask ChatGPT one more thing. You need to proofread before sending. So, ask ChatGPT to review your email for grammar mistakes, spelling errors, awkward wording, repetition, tone consistency, and readability. Okay? And this is the result. So basically, all you have to do here is to just download this, copy paste, so you have your option. Basically, if you want to edit this, you need to download this as Microsoft Word, not PDF, because there's a lot of things that you need to edit here. So if you tap on the download option, make sure it's a Microsoft Word. So as you can see, you can review summary here, grammar, spelling, awkward wording, repetition, and so on. It has all been changed now, and that's how you can use ChatGPT so to write emails that are clear, engaging, and more likely to get results. So this is one of the ways on how to use ChatGPT to write emails that actually convert. Depends on your prompt. So make sure that you have a clear prompt, make sure that you have a clear instruction. So as you can see, the right prompts, thoughtful editing, and a focus on your audience flow, you can create emails that save time while communicating more effectively. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.